Hi everyone, welcome to the tutorial on storage classes in C. In this video, we will learn about the different classes storage in C. By the end, you will be able to understand how each storage affects the scope, lifetime, and visibility of variables. First, let's understand the storage classes are. Storage classes in C define the scope and lifetime of a variable and or function within a C program. They provide information about the location of the memory. A variable occupies the scope within which the variables is visible and the lifetime of the variable. So you see what kind of storage classes they provide us. Well, there are four types of storage classes. They are auto, statistic, register, and external. Let's first go to auto. This is the example of auto, the example code of the auto. This auto storage is the default storage class for local variables. Variables declare with our location to the block in which they are defined and exist during the execution of the block. So you see there, before you proceed to auto, and the common pitfall of this is forgetting that auto is not an outside block. It's always an inside block of the variable code. And if you test this, you can pause this video if you want. If you call this, the output will be this. Variable of value of auto variable A 10 called success. Next, we have statistic. In this statistic storage class allows a variable to retain in value between function calls. Statistic variables are local to the block in which they are defined, but internalized only once and exists for the lifetime of the program. You can see the example again. You can already pause, don't worry. And the outline, or let's say the common pitfall or misunderstanding is the statistic variables within the function are not eternalized with each function. So it will be the outline, this output, yes, that thing. You can do many numbers, but I do that number because I want to, so much easier to compute. Next is register. The register class is used to suggest that the variables be stored in a CPU register instead of RAM. If possible for faster access, this is usually used for variables that required quick access like loop counters. To all the pitfall of this is don't assume the variables will definitely be stored register. That's just a hint to the compiler. Don't underestimate. Because of that, you can see all the codes from function to the printf. um let's see, and then that's it. The pithole I explained earlier, the pithole is assumable to variables defined stored register. It's just a hint to the compiler. Let's go. The next is and that. No, I forgot. There's an output. um, then the output's value registered value is 10, which is in here is this thing. Then if the output, the next is extern. Well, this is the extern is used to declare a global variables or a function in another file. It's extended the variables of the C variables and function. So if you can see there, and the pithole is this is not defining the extern variable of proper and one the file. So don't misunderstand extern. But output will become this. A equals 10. That's it. And in what is this? Recaps what is the four storage classes is. So first, auto. What is used for? This the four auto. Default for local variables. Exists only during block execution. Okay, very good. Then statistic retains value between function calls. Exists for a lifetime of the program. Okay. Then register hint to store in CPU register for faster access. Okay. Then extern is used for variables and function across multiple files. So this extern is always used in C programming. So don't always. So if you want to use extern, just see what I did here in this. That is my example. If you want to use it, it's no problem. But if you want, let's go. And but I encourage you all to practice using the storage classes in different scenarios to understand their behavior and impact on your programs. So if you want to store all this of my examples, you can use always fast forward or go back video, so you can go back anything you saw that. And yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share and comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you guys. Bye bye.